So I'm just going to try a really simple low shot from here. I'm not quite on the ledges where I would normally be at Winnats Pass, but the way that the mist is and there's a little bit of colour, I thought I'd just try something a bit different. Just see what it looks like. Might look nice. I haven't done a shot from here before, so you never know. So yes, I am fully aware that I came back to Winnats Pass again. This is the second time in 3 days. 3 days? Yeah, it's Friday. This is now Sunday. But I couldn't decide where to go. So I thought, as it was cloudy and misty everywhere, it's crazy not to. Crazy not to. We've got another beautiful sky up here. It's a bit busier today than it was on Friday. There's a few people around already. There's a few more coming, so I might have to just go and claim my perch now. But yeah, it's another beautiful morning. Beautiful. You can see quite a few people are gathering up on Mam Tor already, and I think this spot's going to get busy. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep this spot because I can go wide and get the whole thing in quite nicely. Then I'll move over to Castleton side, over the other side, when the sun's just about to break, and then see if I can get some nice sweeping light. But the thing is, the mist is actually quite high. Although they've got the inversion down there, it's rising really high, so not quite sure how the sun is going to break through today. But I don't care. I don't care when it looks this good. Okay, so as beautiful as this is, there's nothing to photograph. Look, haze, 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 a little bit here, but I did that the other day when it was a bit thinner. The mist was a lot thinner. It's beautiful to look at, but photography wise, there's not really giving me anything. So I think it's time to move on. I'm gonna go back to my van. I'm going to park down the bottom here, and I'm going to send the drone up. Let's get some drone shots. Thanks for watching my video. Click the subscribe button now, and also the little bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Did you know you could also buy prints of my images by visiting grahamsimpsonphotography.co.uk? If you use the code YouTube19, you'll also get 10% off every order. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.